Hello everyone, I am Shivam, a student of 100x Engineer, cohort 5, and this is my ComfyUI workflow which I have used for generating images for my assignment 1. So let's start with explanation part. This is my first node called as load checkpoint. This node we used for selecting the model, and for this workflow I have already selected a model called as SDXL Juggernaut. These are my next nodes. I have already grouped them as IP. Here I used three nodes: IP adapter unified loader and a load image. So what does they do? They basically transfer a style of any image whichever I drag and drop into this load image. As you can see, I have already dropped a basic minimalistic bedroom image. Here are my two prompt box. First box I used to write things which I want in my uh, output image, and second box I used for things I don't want. So it is like positive and negative prompts. And next node I have grouped them as reference image. Here I used two nodes. First is load image, which we have already discussed, and second is VA encoder. So what does VA encoders do? It simply convert my reference image, the load image one, into latent space. Then it directly get connected with K-sampler. So what is a K-sampler? It is like a main engine where everything get connected. So we had understood IP group, reference image group. Now let's jump on control net group. As you can see, I have grouped these nodes as control net. Here I have used 5 nodes. First is apply control net. Second is load control net model. This is the node where we select preprocessor. And third is MLSD lines, and fourth is a simple load image and a preview image. So what does this control net do? It simply captures all the straight lines which are present in this image. Now there are last two nodes of the workflow. One is VA decoder and other is preview image, where we see our generated image. Now let's run the workflow and generate images. This image show how does MLSD control net capture straight lines, and let's see our output. Sometimes it doesn't give a perfect image, so I will generate more 4 images and let's see the output. So as we can see, the first output is not perfect. The walls are good, but the shape of the bed is not perfect as our reference image have. Let me show you. As we can see, the shape of the bed, it is different. So let's generate more until we get a perfect output. So fifth generated output matches reference image in minimalistic style. In this way, just by changing IP adapter load image and prompts, I generated these outputs.